Hey guys, it's your girl Veronica, and today I'm going to be showing you how I pack my lip gloss gift bundles. So here I have a foil bag, and here I have some holographic shred that I'm going to be stuffing it with. I'm also going to be using stickers, and a popsicle stick to help stuff it into the bag. So I'm going to take some of the shred out of the bag and spread it out so that it can look better. Now I'm going to take part of the shred, as much as I want, and put it inside of the bag. And using the popsicle stick, I'm going to stuff it in there. Now I'm going to press so that all the air can get out and seal it. Here are all of the lip glosses. Here are all of my scrunchies. As you can see, I have many different types. And inside of this container, I have some lip glosses. They are pink pigmented. And in this container, I have some airheads. These ones are cherry and blue raspberry, and these ones are watermelon. In this one, I have lip scrubs. I have orange, red, and in this one, I have green, red, pink, and yellow. In this pineapple pouch, I have blow pops. Here, I have crybabies. They are sour gums. And some waterproof stickers. There's a cactus and some ballet shoes. There's also one that says girl power and LOL. And there are many more. Some smiley face stickers. I also have some Starburst and Double Bubble. Now I'm going to put all of these materials inside of the pouch using the popsicle stick. Okay, so this is the final product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is my first video uploaded to YouTube, and it would mean a lot to me if you guys liked, subscribe, and share it to people you think would be interested.